In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make transparent backgrounds in OpenArt. Whether you're prepping a logo for a presentation, listing a product for an online shop, or layering artwork in a design tool, a transparent background keeps your subject clean, flexible, and ready for any layout. Start on the OpenArt homepage. Look to the left-hand panel. This is your main navigation hub. From there, click on Assets. This opens your personal library, where OpenArt keeps the images you've worked on. You'll see a grid of thumbnails that makes it easy to spot the file you want. If you have several versions of a design, pick the one that's closest to your final look to save time. Next, select the image you want to edit to open its detail view. Here, you'll find quick actions. Click Edit to launch the image editor. Give it a second to load. Once it does, you'll see your canvas in the center and tools around it. The editor is designed to streamline common tasks, so you won't need to hunt for options. Now focus on the background controls. Select Background to reveal background-specific tools. This is where the magic happens. Click Remove Background. OpenArt will analyze your image, identify the subject, and strip away the backdrop automatically. You'll know it worked when you see the familiar checkerboard pattern behind your subject. That pattern represents transparency. If the subject has fine edges, like hair or thin objects, zoom in to preview the results closely. The automatic removal usually does a great job, especially with high-contrast subjects and well-lit images. Once you're happy with the preview, you're ready to export. You can download the image to your device or save it back to your assets for later use. When downloading, choose a format that preserves transparency. PNG is the safest choice for most workflows. Give your file a clear name so you can find it easily in your design projects. If you plan to use the image at different sizes, consider saving a high-resolution version now, which will keep edges crisp when you scale it down later. And that's it. You navigated to Assets, opened your image, launched the editor, selected the background controls, removed the background with one click, and then downloaded or saved your transparent result. With this quick process, you can produce clean, professional cutouts in just a few moments, ready for web, print, or any creative project.